456 players entered the game. 4.56 billion viewers watched worldwide. You've binged every episode. Now it's time to walk in their footsteps. Welcome to the ultimate Squid Game location tour. Incheon Airport, a sprawling hub of international travel, a place where dreams take flight and reunions unfold. But beneath the surface of bustling activity lies a different story, one of quiet anxieties and fleeting goodbyes. This is more than just an airport, it's a crossroads of human experience, a stage for life's dramas, both big and small. Every year, a staggering 66 million travelers pass through its gates, each with their own unique destination and purpose. But today, we're not here to witness the ordinary comings and goings. Our focus is drawn to a specific point within this vast complex. Gate 33. It's a seemingly unremarkable location, indistinguishable from the dozens of other departure points scattered throughout the terminal. Yet for one particular individual, this gate holds a significance far beyond its functional purpose. It was here, at Gate 33, that Gi-hun's nightmare began. The weight of his choices, the desperation of his circumstances, all converged at this very spot, setting in motion a chain of events that would forever alter the course of his life. As we delve deeper into the world of Squid Game, we'll uncover the hidden layers of meaning embedded within these real-world locations, exploring how they contribute to the show's overall atmosphere of suspense and intrigue. Want to capture the perfect, empty, dystopian vibe of Incheon Airport? Here's a pro tip straight from the locals. Set your alarm and visit at the ungodly hour of 5 a.m. Trust us, it's worth the early wake-up call. As the first rays of dawn begin to filter through the massive glass ceilings, you'll find yourself immersed in a surreal landscape of deserted terminals and silent escalators. The absence of crowds creates an eerie atmosphere, amplifying the architectural grandeur of the space and transforming it into a cinematic backdrop worthy of a sci-fi thriller. It's a chance to experience the airport in a completely different light, to appreciate its stark beauty, and contemplate the stories it holds within its walls. So if you're a photographer, a filmmaker, or simply a fan of the show looking to recreate some iconic scenes, take note, 5 a.m. at Incheon Airport is where the magic happens. You'll be able to capture the essence of isolation and uncertainty that permeates Squid Game, adding a layer of authenticity to your own creative endeavors. By day, Daejeon Expo Park is a vibrant hub of family activity, a place where laughter echoes through the air, and the aroma of picnic lunches fills the senses. Children run freely across the grassy fields, their parents watching on with smiles of contentment. Couples stroll hand in hand along the winding pathways, enjoying the beauty of nature and the warmth of each other's company. But as the sun begins to dip below the horizon, casting long shadows across the landscape, a transformation takes place. The atmosphere shifts, the mood darkens, and the park takes on an entirely different persona. As night falls, the once familiar surroundings become shrouded in an ominous red tint, creating an unsettling and surreal environment. The cheerful sounds of daytime are replaced by an eerie silence, broken only by the rustling of leaves and the distant hum of city life. It's as if the park is holding its breath, bracing itself for the unknown. This juxtaposition of light and dark, of joy and fear, perfectly mirrors the themes explored in Squid Game. The show masterfully blends moments of innocence and camaraderie with scenes of intense violence and despair, leaving viewers constantly on edge and questioning the true nature of humanity. Prepare to step into the arena where childhood innocence meets deadly consequences. The actual red light, green light arena, the very place where 255 players met their untimely fate, costs just $3 to enter. That's right. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can stand on the hallowed ground where dreams were shattered and lives were lost. As you walk across the vast expanse of the arena, try to imagine the sheer terror and desperation that filled the air during those fateful games. Picture the players, their faces etched with fear, as they desperately tried to avoid the gaze of the giant doll. Feel the tension, the anxiety, the overwhelming sense of dread that permeated every corner of the space. It's a chilling reminder of the fragility of life and the lengths to which people will go to survive. But beyond the horror and the tragedy, there's also a sense of awe and wonder. The arena itself is a testament to the power of set design and the ability of filmmakers to create immersive and unforgettable experiences. The vibrant colors, the surreal atmosphere, the sheer scale of the space, it all contributes to the show's unique and captivating aesthetic. Delve into the depths of despair, where the boundaries between reality and nightmare blur. The dormitory scenes, those claustrophobic and unsettling spaces where the players were forced to live and sleep, were filmed in a truly remarkable location, an abandoned mine shaft located 50 kilometers outside the bustling metropolis of Seoul. This subterranean labyrinth, with its dimly lit tunnels and rusty metal structures, provided the perfect backdrop for the show's depiction of confinement and desperation. The air is thick with the weight of history, the echoes of past miners and their struggles resonating through the cavernous spaces. As you wander through the maze-like corridors, you can almost feel the presence of the players, their hopes and fears lingering in the shadows. The choice of this location was a stroke of genius, adding a layer of authenticity and grit to the show's already compelling narrative. The mine shaft's inherent sense of isolation and decay perfectly mirrored the player's own sense of hopelessness and despair, creating a truly immersive and unforgettable viewing experience. Netflix spared no expense in bringing the world of Squid Game to life, investing a staggering $2.4 million to transform these real-world locations into the show's iconic settings. From the bustling streets of Seoul to the serene landscapes of the Korean countryside, every detail was meticulously crafted to create an immersive and believable experience for viewers. And the best part? This is just the beginning. With Season 2 on the horizon, fans can expect even more breathtaking visuals and captivating locations. In fact, sources say that the upcoming season will feature a whopping 34% more Korean sites, offering a deeper and more nuanced exploration of the country's rich culture and diverse landscapes. Get ready to be transported to new and exciting corners of Korea, as the show continues to push the boundaries of visual storytelling and captivate audiences around the globe. From bustling markets filled with exotic sights and sounds, to modern buildings that gleam with futuristic promise, and from dramatic coastal cliffs that plunge into the turquoise sea, to serene temples nestled amidst lush forests, Season 2 promises to be a visual feast for the senses. Want the full immersive Squid Game experience? Then you absolutely must head to Gwangjang Market in Seoul. This isn't just any market, it's a vibrant hub of Korean street food and culture, and it's where you can find the infamous Dalgona Candy Challenge that took the world by storm. Imagine yourself surrounded by the sights, sounds and smells of authentic Korean cuisine, all while preparing to test your skills in a challenge that could have life or death consequences. Well, not really, but it will feel like it. Gwangjang Market offers a sensory overload in the best way possible, providing the perfect backdrop for your Squid Game adventure. It's a place where tradition meets trend, and where you can truly feel like you've stepped into the world of the show. So, ditch the tourist traps and dive headfirst into the heart of Seoul's culinary scene. Fair warning, attempting the Dalgona Candy Challenge in real life is approximately 740% harder than TikTok makes it look. Those perfectly carved shapes you see online? They're the exception, not the rule. The reality is a race against time and a battle against brittle sugar. One wrong move and your shape will shatter into a million pieces. But don't let that deter you. Embrace the challenge and remember this local secret. A little bit of lick before carving can work wonders. The moisture helps to soften the sugar and prevent it from cracking. It's a technique passed down through generations of Dalgona masters, and it just might give you the edge you need to succeed. So pucker up, get ready to lick, and prepare for a sugar-fueled showdown that will test your patience, precision, and maybe even your sanity. And hey, even if you fail, you still get to eat the candy. One superfan I met, a truly dedicated Korean traveler, shared their incredible experience with me. They visited all 7 of the key Squid Game filming locations in a single weekend. Can you imagine the dedication? From the iconic playground to the mysterious island, they left no stone unturned. And, according to them, the experience gave them chills, a palpable sense of being transported directly into the heart of the show. They said it felt like walking through the sets, breathing the same air as the characters and reliving the most intense moments of the series. It's a testament to the power of immersive experiences and the enduring impact of Squid Game on popular culture. This traveler's passion was infectious, and it inspired me to encourage everyone to embark on their own Squid Game pilgrimage. Ready to embark on your own Squid Game adventure and create memories that will last a lifetime? We want to see your journey. As you explore these iconic locations, be sure to snap plenty of photos and share them with the world using the hashtag #SquidGameTravel. By sharing your experiences, You'll not only inspire others to follow in your footsteps, but you'll also have a chance to win some seriously cool, authentic show merchandise. Imagine owning a piece of Squid Game history. So grab your camera, gather your friends, and get ready to immerse yourself in the world of Squid Game. Who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent for Dalgona carving along the way. We can't wait to see your photos and hear your stories. Good luck, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Or at least, may your Dalgona candy stay intact. Get ready for a revelation that will redefine your perception of adventure. We've just received exclusive intel, straight from the source, regarding the next chapter in a saga that has captivated the world. Season 2 of the phenomenon is poised to raise the stakes, pushing the boundaries of suspense and intrigue to unprecedented heights. And the location? Prepare to be mesmerized. The deadliest game yet will unfold against the breathtaking backdrop of Jeju Island's volcanic cliffs. Imagine the drama, the tension, the sheer visual spectacle as contestants navigate this treacherous landscape. The raw, untamed beauty of nature juxtaposed with the cold, calculated cruelty of the game. Waves crashing against the jagged rocks below, a constant reminder of the peril that awaits. This isn't just a game, it's a battle against nature itself, a test of survival where only the strongest will prevail. The volcanic cliffs of Jeju Island aren't just a location, they're a character in this unfolding drama, adding layers of depth and complexity to an already gripping narrative. The golden hour light casts long shadows, creating an atmosphere of mystery and foreboding. What secrets do these ancient rocks hold? What challenges will they present to the players? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. Season 2 is going to be an unforgettable experience, but Jeju Island is just the beginning. Korea is a land of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From the tranquil serenity of ancient mountain temples where monks still practice centuries-old traditions, to the vibrant energy of bustling coastal villages where fishermen bring in their daily catch, and the modern marvels of urban rooftops offering breathtaking panoramic views, Korea has something for everyone. Imagine yourself wandering through these picturesque landscapes, immersing yourself in the rich culture and history of this fascinating country. Picture yourself exploring ancient palaces, sampling exotic cuisine, and meeting the friendly locals. But hurry, visit now, before these hidden gems become tourist hotspots, before the crowds descend and the authentic charm is lost forever. This is your chance to experience the real Korea, to discover the secrets that lie hidden beneath the surface. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to explore a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet modern innovation, where natural beauty blends seamlessly with urban sophistication. Korea is calling, and adventure awaits. Now let's get interactive. After witnessing the intensity of the Squid Game challenges, a question arises. Which Squid Game challenge could you realistically survive? Think carefully, consider your strengths and weaknesses, and let us know in the comments below. Would you excel in the Dalgona Candy Challenge with its delicate precision and steady hand? Or perhaps you'd thrive in the red light, green light game, relying on your speed and agility? Maybe you're a strategic thinker, perfectly suited for the marbles game, where cunning and deception are key. Or perhaps you possess the brute strength and determination needed to conquer the tug of war. Whatever your skills, we want to hear your thoughts. Share your answers, debate with fellow viewers, and let's see who the ultimate Squid Game survivor would be. Don't be shy, let your voice be heard. We're eager to read your creative and insightful responses. If you're craving more thrilling adventures and insider tips on the world's most captivating destinations, then smash that like button if you're ready for your own Korean adventure. Show us your support and let us know you're enjoying the journey. And don't forget to subscribe to GoGlobeTrottersTravel for a constant stream of hidden filming locations, exclusive travel guides, and breathtaking cinematic experiences. We're your passport to the world, bringing you the best in travel content from the comfort of your own home. Your next binge-worthy destination awaits. So, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready to embark on a global adventure with us. The world is waiting to be explored, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. You thought marbles were risky? Wait until you try carving Dalgona candy with a real needle. Flash, our host, hand-wrapped in a dramatic cartoon bandage, struggles to carve out an umbrella shape. Suddenly, snap! The candy shatters, and the needle slips. Cue a comedic sound effect. But this isn't just a sweet treat gone wrong. Dalgona knives are real, the host laughs, holding up their bandaged hand. And so are ER bills. Cut to a friendly local treating the wound, then a quick montage of the Safety Wing app. Bills paid, stress levels down. I racked up a $120 emergency room visit, but thanks to Safety Wing, I was covered in minutes. So if you're planning on surviving Squid Game challenges, even the sweet ones, see the link below to obtain your first travel medical plan through Safety Wing. Don't leave home without travel insurance. Protect yourself from more than just the game, and maybe don't trust me with sharp objects.